Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to service a BMW 5 Series. We'll cover the easy methods you can use to keep your car running smoothly without a trip to the mechanic. Performing routine checks and simple replacements yourself can save you time and money. Let's dive into the essential steps for maintaining your BMW's peak condition and ensuring its longevity. You'll be surprised how straightforward it can be. First up, the oil change and filter replacement. This is crucial for engine health. You should aim to change your engine oil every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Always use a high-quality synthetic oil, often a 5W30 or 5W40 blend, as recommended for your BMW. Don't forget to replace the oil filter at the same time to ensure your new oil stays clean and effective. Next, let's talk about your air filters. Inspect your engine air filter every 15,000 miles or so. A clean air filter is vital for your engine's breathing, directly impacting fuel efficiency and overall power. Also, don't overlook the cabin air filter. Replacing it annually ensures you and your passengers breathe fresh, clean air inside the car, free from dust and allergens. It's a quick and easy swap. Finally, let's cover tire pressure and fluid levels. Check your tire pressure monthly. Maintaining 32 to 35 psi is generally ideal for safety and fuel economy. Also, regularly inspect your brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid levels, topping them off as needed. These simple checks prevent major issues down the road. And hey, if you want your car smelling as good as it runs, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep your BMW in top shape.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.